Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer roadmaps from AHA to Monday.com step by step clearly. Start by opening AHA and logging into your account. Navigate to the roadmap you want to transfer. Click on the export button, usually found in the top right corner. Select CSV as the export format from the drop-down menu. Once the file is generated, download it to your computer. Next, open Monday.com in your web browser. Log into your Monday.com account. Create a new board by clicking on the Add button. Choose New Board from the options provided. Name your board appropriately and select the privacy settings. Now, open the CSV file you downloaded from AHA. Take a moment to review the data structure in the CSV file. Copy the relevant data from the CSV file. Return to your Monday.com board. In the upper right corner, click on the Import button. Select CSV from the Import options. Upload the CSV file you copied from AHA. Map the columns from the CSV to the appropriate fields in Monday.com. Ensure that titles, dates, and any other relevant information are correctly matched. Click on Import to complete the process. Wait for the import process to finish, this may take a moment. Once completed, review the board to ensure all data has been transferred accurately. Make any necessary adjustments to the formatting or details as needed. You have now successfully transferred your roadmaps from AHA to Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.